Biodata. Away they go. Delgado rushing up Miss Chanel, running by the rallies Wild Wind, also moving up is no hesitation, and running in between runners Mr. Lindros alongside Stamp Shot Biodata second last. Spellbinder is the retreader. Miss Chanel, Wild Wind down on the inside, no hesitation, and running in Ports Delgado, running in P by some 4 lengths, Slam Shot, Mr. Lindus, Biodata remains second last, Spellbinder still running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Miss Chanel, this time by some 3 lengths, Wild Wind Delgado from the outside, no hesitation, and moving up by the rallies Biodata as they race the final corner. Miss Chanel by some 4 lengths, Delgado Biodata is moving up by the rail and no hesitation. And nearing the finish line, Miss Chanel Biodata, Delgado from the outside, Slam Shot. Miss Chanel Biodata moves up. It's now Biodata, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second, Miss Chanel Delgado, Slam Shot, Wild Wind, Mr. Lindros, Spellbinder, and no hesitation comes last.